are amazing. They offer a world of color to explore. Mixing your own colors is like magic. You can create any shade you imagine. It's easy and fun. Let's get started. Acrylics dry quickly, so work fast. Use a little water to keep your paints moist. But too much water makes the paint thin. Experiment to find what works for you. Start with primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Want a soft pink? Add a tiny bit of red to white paint. A touch of blue creates a calming sky blue. For deeper tones, add a touch of black or a darker shade. A little black and red makes a rich burgundy. A dash of blue and green creates a deep forest green. Remember, a little goes a long way. Mix yellow and red for bright oranges. Combine blue and yellow to make vibrant greens. Experiment with different ratios to see what happens. Add a drop of white to any mix for a softer look. A tiny bit of black can create interesting shadows and depth. Always test your colors on a palette before applying them to your canvas. Mix small amounts at a time. You can always add more. Don't be afraid to experiment with metallic or gloss medium. They add exciting textures and effects to your artwork. Now go and create your own masterpiece.
Thanks so much for watching. If you're excited to start creating art like this at home, be sure to check out the link in the description below. We offer DIY art kits with everything you need to get started, plus tons of resources and inspiration to help you bring your masterpiece to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Happy creating!